Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on a duet on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the video you want to do a duet with and select the three-dotted icon on the right panel. Scroll over on the bottom section here and select duet. And then at this point, you can go ahead and just wait for it to load here for a moment. Give it a second. So it appears there's a download issue at the moment, but in your case, it should load successfully. I might be having a little bit of a Wi-Fi issue. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.